Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study our chapter first, number system. This chapter is based on classification of numbers. In this chapter we will study the real numbers and their classification. So what is the real number? A real number is the value of a continuous quantity that can represent a distance along a line. Which line? A number line. Okay. And what is a number line? You already know that in maths a number line can be defined as a straight line with numbers placed at equal interval or segments along its length. A number line can be extended infinitely in any direction and is usually represented horizontally. Okay, so let's start our classification. We will take real number. So real number can be divided into two parts, with decimal and without decimal. First we will take without decimal real numbers. You have already seen that without decimal real numbers are like this: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay. Here numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and infinitely are the positive integers. This is known as positive integers. The 0 is the zero integer. And the negative numbers are defined as negative integers. Okay. The positive integers are also known as the natural numbers because they are the counting numbers. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. And the zero integer and natural numbers are combinedly known as the whole number. Okay, because there is something, कभी कभी ऐसा भी कुछ होता है कि हम उसको काउंट नहीं कर सकते तो हम उसको जीरो डिफाइन करते हैं, तो इसको बोला जाता है होल नंबर्स. ओके, नाउ मूव टू द अदर पार्ट, विद डेसिमल. द अदर पार्ट ऑफ रियल नंबर आर विद डेसिमल, like 1.2 you have seen, 1.12, 2121 and the other are 1.2385 so on. Okay, you can see here some numbers are like 1.2 and stop. इसके बाद आगे कोई नंबर नहीं होता है, ये यहीं पे स्टॉप हो जाता है. तो these numbers are known as terminating numbers. Okay, the other one are repeating numbers. Here 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and so on. So these numbers are non-terminating repeating okay, numbers. And some numbers are like they are non-terminating and non-repeating, like 1.2385 and so on. Okay, so these numbers are known as non-terminating, non-repeating or non-recurring number. Okay, so now let's come back to our chapter. We have to study the rational numbers and non-rational or irrational numbers. The rational numbers are from this part. The terminating and non-terminating numbers are known as rational number. Okay, these numbers are known as rational numbers. They can be defined in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers. We have already studied about the positive, negative and zero integer. So in rational number, the rational number can be defined in the form of p upon q, and p and q are the integers, where q is not equal to 0. If q tends to 0, then it will be non-defined. Okay. Then now come to non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. They are also known as irrational number. इनको irrational number भी बोला जाता है, because they cannot be defined in the form of p upon q. Okay, p upon q की फॉर्म में इनको नहीं लिख सकते. That's why they are known as the irrational number. Like √2, √3, वो नंबर भी होते हैं जो रूट की फॉर्म में लिखे जाते हैं. ओके, √2, √3, बट वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होने चाहिए. जैसे √4 क्या है, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है 2 का, तो हम √4 को इरेशनल नंबर के अंदर कंसिडर नहीं करते हैं. तो वी कैन राइट √5 हियर. ओके, सो दिस इज द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ रियल नंबर्स और नंबर सिस्टम. ओके, नाउ वी मूव टू आवर फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज 1.1. Let's start our first exercise. The first question is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0? Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find that 0 is a rational number. Okay, or can we write in the form of p upon q? We already know if any number which can be written in the form of p upon q is a rational number where q should not be equal to 0. Okay, taking the case of 0, in this 0 can be written in the form of 0 upon 1, 0 upon 2, 0 upon 3 and so on. So as well as उसके आगे भी हम लिख सकते हैं, since it satisfies the necessary condition, so we can conclude that 0 can be written in the form of p upon q, where q can either be positive or negative number, hence 0 is a rational number. Okay, hence 0 is a rational number. Okay, our next question is find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Okay, so there can be infinite rational numbers between 3 and 4. To find out 6 rational number, we will multiply both the numbers with 6 plus 1, that is 7. What we will do, 3 multiplied by 7 upon 7, that is 21 upon 7, and 4 multiplied by 7 upon 7, that is the 28 upon 7. So we can write these 6 rational number between 3 and 4 are 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7 and 27 upon 7. These are the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, next question is find 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Same procedure will be followed. Like what we have to do, we have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So what we will do, we will add 5 by 1, that is the 6, and multiply both the digits with 6 upon 6. Okay, so 3 by 5 multiply by 6 upon 6 and 4 by 5 multiply by 6 upon 6. This will become 18 upon 30 and this will become 24 upon 30. So the 5 rational number between both the digits are 19 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21 upon 30, 22 upon 30 and 23 upon 30. These are the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. What you have to do, the numbers, how much numbers you have to find, just add the number by 1 and multiply and divide by the same number with both the digits and write all the digits between those numbers. Okay, this is the procedure you have to follow to find any rational number between two numbers. Okay.